Alright, so we finally have the iPad 8th gen in the house. So there you go, you can see the 32 GB iPad 8th gen. And yeah, this is the Wi-Fi only variant. So in this video we'll be unboxing this, and as a student I don't know how I'll be using this, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this as my daily for stuff like my college work and something like that. So yeah, we'll just quickly unbox this and yeah, we'll be right back. So like the iPhones, we don't get a pull tab here, so we'll have to cut it through the sides. I like the pull tab personally. Quickly putting that aside, we'll just lift the box real quick. Okay, come on. It is a bit difficult, so wow, there we go. And oh my god, it is it is huge. Yeah, we'll just quickly pull this off and keep this aside. There we go. This is the space gray. We'll just quickly keep it aside right over here, and we'll see what all we have in the box itself. So we'll just pull this. So it says designed by Apple in California, and let's see what all we have. So we have the paperwork. Do we get the Apple stickers? Yep, we do have 2 of the Apple stickers. We'll keep this aside as well. Then we have the charging brick. This is, I think, this is the 20-watt adapter. So I recently bought one for my iPhone 12. So yeah, good to see it over here. Then we have the USB. Let's see, I think it's the type C if I'm not wrong. Yep, we have the type C to lightning. Again, got this with my iPhone 12 as well. So this is all we get with the iPad. And yeah, we'll just keep everything aside and we'll quickly set up our iPad. Alright, so this is our iPad. So for now I'll be keeping it on this box itself because I don't want to scratch it right now. So we'll just quickly peel the plastic and oh my god, there we go. This is the iPad itself. So I'll just quickly keep my iPhone 12 here just for size reference, and we'll just power on the device. The power button is on the top, and this is my very first iPad that I've personally owned. So let's see. There we go. The iPad is turning on, and let's see how quick it is to basically turn on. And we are in. So this is the 8th gen with the A12 Bionic chip, and basically the chip that we got with the iPhone 10s 10R, which is like 2 years old. And I don't mind it because I had the iPhone 10R and it did not even feel slow. It still feels as fast as my iPhone 12. Again, it feels a bit slower, but not that slower. And personally, I did not want to spend a lot on an iPad, or else I would have gotten the iPad Air. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set everything up, and I'll be right back once everything is done. Okay, so I'm almost done setting up my iPad. Continue. Share it. I don't care. Screen time, yes. Share it. Again, I want the dark mode. The light seems good, but again, I'd prefer the dark over light any day. And we are in. This is the iPad, and okay, we have this. Alright, so we don't have the app library, but we have the notifications. I'll just quickly turn it around. There we go. We have the iPad OS, and I am not in New Delhi, I'm in Mumbai. So we'll just quickly go into settings, and I think we'll have an update as well. Let's see, general, we have software update. There we go, we have the update, so we'll just quickly do that, and it is the iPad OS 14.1. Agree. I'll just quickly turn up the brightness a bit. There we go, and yeah, we are in. This is the iPad OS. And I did not restore any of the apps. I set it up as a new iPad. So yeah, I mean, 2 minutes to update. So we'll just quickly check out a couple of things here. So we have the Apple Pencil support as well. We have the Touch ID. We have the battery. We'll just quickly change the wallpaper. And let's see, new wallpaper, stills. There are no good wallpapers. So I'll just basically download it later on. So we'll go down to Apple Pencil. I don't have an Apple Pencil right now. I might buy it later. Then we have the battery here, App Store and stuff like that. So I'll take a bit of a time to mess with all this. I'll also uninstall all the apps because I don't need the GarageBand or something like that. Yeah, I don't need all these apps. So I'll just uninstall that, and let's just quickly check out how much storage do we get. So if you go into iPad storage, and out of 32 gigs, 13.1 GB is used. And okay, I'll just quickly turn off everything. So I don't back up anything on the iCloud photos, so I have everything off. But again, we'll do that later. I don't want to go in deep with the OS itself right now. So yeah, I mean, that is it. That is the iPad OS. And yeah, more videos on the iPad coming soon in the future as well. We have the home screen and dock. I'll keep the today view on the home screen. So I want that. Okay, multitasking. Yeah, all the good things we have. So today view will be forever here, and I like that. So yeah, I mean, that is pretty much it. That is the iPad OS. I'll update all the apps, and I'll get back to you as okay. So we have the okay. So I'm pretty new to the iPad OS. So yeah, we don't need to basically press the power or the home button every time we want to multitask. So we can just swipe up. And yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about iPad OS, and I'm pretty excited to try it out. So yeah, for now, that is pretty much it. This was my iPad 10.2 inch 8th gen unboxing. If you like this video for any reason, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll make a video or dedicated video on what's on my iPhone, what's on my Apple Watch, and what's on my iPad. I'll just combine everything in one video, and I'll post it pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, for now, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.